Welcome back to my channel. Are you trained? Better pose, drive, and recharge, my beloved subscribers. Let's go driving, guys. Wearing high heels and driving barefoot, guys. Let's enjoy the ride. Be with yours truly, DrCON. Tara na, guys. Guys, good day everyone. Today, your story DrCON will do the driving wearing these high heels. Look, this high heel, guys. And of course, after that, we will do the driving barefoot. So, by the way, thank you so much for Sun Life Canada of Sun Life of Canada Philippines for this hat, and of course for the t-shirt. No disclaimer, guys, I was not paid to promote, but I am happy to to show this, the Sun Life Canada Philippines Incorporated. And by the way, this vlog of mine today will be encouraging women out there, those who are afraid to drive. So I hope you will find this video as helpful to your interest in driving. So I am encouraging everyone. So I know, it's hard to drive, especially if you are a beginner, but I'm sure, and I wanted to help everyone to do the driving, especially the women out there. So what are you waiting for? Let's go na, guys! Alis na tayo! Hi guys! So today your story DrCON is already here inside my car. So we are holding now the key, no? So the first step for the beginner driver is to insert this key, no? So again, we are identifying the parts of our car. So we have the steering wheel, of course we have the lever shift, okay, and of course the parking brake. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is to, ayan guys, hirap. Okay, sandali. So let us identify the parts of our car, guys. So we have there the this is the clutch, this is the brake, and this is the gas pedal. So we will press the clutch and then turn the knob, no? Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this time, guys, we will do the reverse driving. So our placer is so narrow. So but then I am now I will be doing now the reverse driving in bare feet, no? Okay, so let's go na, guys. Okay, so once you are doing the reverse driving, so of course your left foot still on the clutch pedal. Okay, so this time we are doing our reverse driving, guys, in bare feet. So our placer is so narrow, so we need to okay, so we're able to do the reverse driving now and stop for a while. So let's go, guys. So in this place of ours, guys, it is so narrow, no? So you should know how to estimate, diba, the center, so that you will not be mistaken in doing the twisting. So this time we are on the first gear, no? So we're going up. So I have a friend that I will visit. Nobody but you. La 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 la. So when you do the driving bare feet, it's so nice, no, to feel the gas pedal, the vibration of this. Okay. We'll be going to President Rojas. Maligayang araw natin nagdaan, habang ako'y nag-iisang nalulumbay. Suyo ang walang kasing pait, ang ngunita pala. For the women out there, I am doing this again and again, the video, no? Again, I am so happy to tell you that I have already a friend that knows how to drive already and have a courage. Shout out for my friend Liubi. Congratulations, my dear. And of course, my friend Ashley Johnson. Congrats for being a good driver right now. So look at those guys, the motorcycle. So you should give them a signal, because sometimes they will just cross the road or the way. So we are busy in our work. So it's time for us to do this vlog, because I will have an important thing to do right now with my friends. So while driving, para sa inyo ito mga mahal kong kaibigan, especially sa mga babae dyan na gustong mag-drive kaya lang natatakot pa rin. Again, let us pray for God's wisdom na ibibigay niya sa atin in doing the driving. Okay, sa maraming malalaking car dito guys, tingnan niyo. We do the overtaking, so we give the signal that we are going to overtake on the left, so we do the overtaking. According to my trainer before, there's no worry if you do the overtaking as long as the area is clear, there's no car approaching. La, la, la. lahat ay walang hangganan. Subalit ang kwento'y biglang nagbago. Lumingot ka sa ating pangako. Pangit-ngiti ako ay nilisan. Let's go na, guys. Okay. So there is a question daw with regards sa aking mga kaibigan, kung ano yung nararamdaman ko habang nagda-drive ako na naka-high heels. So actually, it's very nice, no, mag-drive na naka-high heel. Kaya lang, there is sometimes that you will feel na medyo mahirap kapag yung heel ay, lalo nito pag you're going to lace the heel, siyempre mataas-taas siya. Pero, it's comfortable also to drive wearing high heel. And disclaimer, no, I am not encouraging the women out there to drive the bare or the high heel with high heels if you are not used to do it, because dahil po bagbaguhan hindi mo masyadong matansya. So okay lang pag medyo gamay mo na siya. So pwede na. Okay? So maganda rin mag-drive na naka high heels kapag especially pupunta ka sa mga occasion, so you are in a hurry and hindi mo na kailangan magpalit-palit pa ng shoes kasi it takes a long time, no? Sometimes kapag huhubarin mo pa yung isang mong shoe, then you will change it into a high heel. Nakikita ninyo may mga malalaking sasakyan, may mga bus dito sa way na ito. By the way, thank you so much for all my subscribers, my followers. Thank you so much for following your story, DrCON, for liking my videos. So you can comment down if you wanted to give sometimes a little comments or suggestions for the improvement of our videos. So you can comment it down. And for those who are new in my channel, please, if you find that these videos helps you or kakatulong sa inyo, please don't forget to like, to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Alam nyo guys, lagi ako nagbo-blow ng horn because lagi yan sa mind ko, sinasabi ng trainer ko before that we should blow our horns, no, especially pag may mga motorsiklo, may mga tricycle, kasi sometimes the drivers are overtaking, no, especially nila alam na may nakasunod na sasakyan. So that's why we need to be conscious in blowing the horns. Ang speed natin is nasa 60 kilometer per hour. Alam nyo guys, itong mga motorcycle driver or mga single na motor, they are fond o lusot-lusot. Palusot-lusot. Kahit hindi spacious, basta lusot ang lusot. Madali. Sige, lusot ka dyan. Okay. So let us change our view. Dapat sa unahan naman. Para makita ninyo. Si classmate. Lang yan titikin. That's the irony. We are approaching Barangay Malagiat. Barangay Takas. Guys, this is your story Dr. Con, saying thank you for always following my vlog. To my friends over there who are believing in my capacity to influence them, especially in driving. So thank you so much. So shout out tayo dyan kina Boyet Solero, to Mr. Edner Pingol sa Pika, sa mga batchmates ni Mr. To my friend Marjeline and Jean-Luc, to Cathy Doliano, to Claire Johnson, and of course to Ma'am Ides, no? Ma'am Jeline, I am encouraging you to drive, no? Please have the courage. Have the courage to drive, because I know you can make it. So, but I am sure that in the future, no, magugulat na lang ako ay nagda-drive na kayo. So, again, this vlog of mine today, or the episode, which is Barefeet and with high heels, no, driving manual car. This is intended to all of you, to all my followers. Thank you so much. You are my inspiration. That's why I am doing this, no. I am motivated to drive even I am busy. So actually we are busy for the whole week, no. So this is my chance to do this driving. So I hope you will like this video of mine. So see you next time, and bye bye.